Welcome back to Royal Rides, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre marks a new chapter in the brand's legacy as the first all-electric ultra-luxury coupe. This stunning machine combines Rolls-Royce's timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge EV technology. The Spectre is built on the same architecture of luxury platform as the Phantom, ensuring a whisper-quiet and ultra-smooth ride. Under the hood under the sleek body lies a powerful dual-motor electric drivetrain producing 584 horsepower and 900 nanometers of torque. This allows the Spectre to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, an impressive feat for a car of this size and luxury. The refined suspension system adapts automatically to road conditions, offering the signature Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet ride. The 2025 model now boasts an upgraded 102 kWh battery pack, giving it a range of 320 miles 515 kilometers on a single charge. Thanks to ultra-fast DC charging, the Spectre can regain 80% battery in just 35 minutes, ensuring you spend more time enjoying the journey and less time waiting. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines luxury. The iconic Starlight headliner now extends to the Starlight doors, with over 4,796 fiber optic lights creating a celestial ambience. The cabin is wrapped in the finest bespoke leather, wood, and metal trims, offering endless customization options for elite buyers. The Spectre 2025 features the latest Spirit AI system, offering seamless voice control, personalized driving experiences, and advanced navigation. The fully digital driver's display and massive infotainment touchscreen integrate effortlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making every journey a connected experience. As expected from Rolls-Royce, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2025 Spectre starts at around $420,000, with bespoke options pushing it even higher. Deliveries are expected to begin in mid-2025, and early buyers have already lined up to own this pinnacle of electric luxury. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is not just a car, it's a statement of futuristic opulence.